right, we're at the 2021 Sundown show, about to get a demo. Go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't and subscribe. Demo time. Can I come in? Nice. So what's your name, man? What's in here?
Josh Johnson. I got 4 Resilient Sounds Platinum 15s, each one with the RP 3500 watt SCAR amplifier.
Okay.
And a 80 amp hour Lithium bank 300 amp brand X alternator.
Nice.
Tuned to 28 hertz.
Did you add this later, or was it always like that?
I built it in with it. Yeah.
Okay.
I added the 15s later though. That's why you see the edge there. I had 12s and.
Oh, you opened it up?
Yeah, opened it up. The Resilient Sounds take a small box. I was like, I can take 12s out and throw 15s in. So I got that.
A lot more cone area too.
Yeah, and that I just hit 159.3 on
really?
the kick.
Congrats! Wow.
Yeah, a little more lithium. I'm liable to get 160 out of it.
I can see that. Awesome.
Let's see what we got here.
Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it.
Alright. We'll go to a different.
Solid brace too. Built it into the port.
To do it through. I shattered my windshield all to pieces. This cross member ripped here, shattered here. So I had no choice but to frame it.
Dang.
Just ripped it all to pieces.
Yep. All right, we're at the 2021 Sundown show, about to get a demo. Go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't and subscribe. Demo time.
All right, let's get this baby rolling.
Musical and low. That's really going to low frequency. Awesome.
Yeah, tuned down to 28. Probably get a little better SPL out of it if I tuned higher, but I love my lows.
I love the lows and the musical range of it. Awesome. Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Can I see the back on the amps real quick?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Got them wide open.
It's all right. Subscribe if you haven't. You have anything in the trunk or all on the sides?
I got my Lithium in the trunk. You can see it right here.
Got it.
I need to build a box around it, but other than that, that's this side of the car, and then I got the same setup on the other side for the other side of the car.
Got it. Nice. And these are at 1 ohm?
Yep.
So you got 1 per sub?
Yep.
Very nice. Have you clamped your power out of them yet, just to know?
I've yet to clamp.
What was your name?
Josh Johnson.
Thanks, you, Josh.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, hope to see it on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Resilient Sounds?
Resilient Sounds Platinum.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
talking about the arches and talking about sweet time. Still when you say this might really be real. How's the picture when you get that I spent most of the next days looking at the X-rays, talking about the arches and talking about sweet time.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.